Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 15th of October 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished off the week strongly, rising 0.7% to close at 7,362 points. The market gained about 0.5% for the full week. The best performers today were the technology and materials stocks. Utilities underperformed. Macquarie Group finished up 3.7%, BHP was almost 3% higher, and Fortescue Metals closed up 2%. Among the large caps, Goodman Group, REA, Newcrest Mining, Sonic Healthcare and South32 all lost ground. The best performers today were ARB Corporate, Hub24 and Oz Minerals. That's a very mixed bunch. They all rose more than 5.5%. The Star Entertainment Group rose 5.4%, but still remains well down on where it started the week, ahead of the allegations of money laundering and dealings with criminals. The worst performer was wealth manager Pendal Group. Its share price fell 8% after its funds under management update disappointed investors. New South Wales Premier Dominic Perrottet said New South Wales's borders would be open to local and international travellers from the beginning of next month, well ahead of schedule and before any of the other states. But then Scott Morrison, the Prime Minister, said New South Wales' international border won't open for tourism next month, and Australian citizens and residents will be given first priority. Not sure who'll win that battle, but at least Australians should be able to come home. Qantas, who today booked an $800 million profit selling 14 hectares of land near its Sydney Mascot headquarters, has brought forward its international flight ramp-up. All the news sent travel stocks higher, with Flight Centre and Webjet up nearly 4%, while corporate travel management jumped more than 3%. Qantas rose 1.8%. In other corporate news, Rio Tinto downgraded its iron ore export target for the third consecutive year, and its Mongolian copper project has been delayed yet again. Its share price fell 1% today, and remember, its peers BHP and Fortescue Metals both performed strongly. Treasury Wines held its AGM, saying that the Sydney and Melbourne lockdowns meant on-premise sales were dragging the business back. The recovery in the luxury wines channel in the Americas was also behind schedule. That caused its share price to fall more than 5% today. The Aussie dollar finished the week at 74.2 US cents. That's better than where it started. And recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 finished up 1.7%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was 1.6% higher, and the Nasdaq 100 closed almost 2% better. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 15th of October 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.